Have you ever wondered why some people are willing to delve into the complex world of trading? Why would they invest time, effort, and money into something that seems so unpredictable and risky? Well, to put it simply, trading can be likened to learning a valuable skill. It may take a few years to master, but once harnessed, it offers the promise of lifelong freedom. Imagine being a fruit vendor, selling fruits every day to make a modest income. Now, picture learning to trade in the financial market. Initially, you would spend some time acquiring the skill, but once you've got a grip on it, you become the master of your time. You can trade whenever you want and potentially earn more than you ever did selling fruits. But bear in mind, this is just an analogy. Trading always carries a risk, and there's no guarantee of always making a profit. So it shouldn't be embarked upon carelessly. The process of learning to trade is a journey, often filled with highs and lows. But, like any journey, it begins with a single step. That step is education. Reading books, attending seminars, following the right people on social media, and practicing with virtual trading platforms are some of the ways to equip oneself with the necessary trading knowledge. After learning the basics, the next step is to develop a trading strategy. A strategy is a set of guidelines that dictate when to buy, when to sell, and how much to risk on each trade. It provides a sense of direction and helps to remove emotions from the decision-making process. Once a strategy is in place, the next step is to practice. Practice makes perfect, as they say. But in the world of trading, practice makes profit. By practicing on a demo account, one can gain experience without risking real money. Over time, with consistent learning, practicing, and refining of strategies, one can become proficient at trading. This skill, once acquired, can provide the freedom to trade at will and potentially earn a decent income. To summarize, the key points discussed in this video are: trading is like learning a valuable skill that can provide lifelong freedom. The process of learning to trade involves education, developing a strategy, and practice. Despite the potential benefits, trading carries a risk and should not be embarked upon carelessly. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So, if you've ever considered trading, perhaps now is the time to take that first step. Who knows, it might lead you to a path of financial freedom.